Hello friends, Ben here for Giant Loop, and I am beyond excited to tell you about our newest product, the Giant Loop Cactus Canteen Rugged Water Carrying Reservoir. So I'm supposed to be like super professional and just the facts when it comes to these product videos, but I can't explain how excited I am for this product and how perfectly I think it fills a very specific need that people that go on overnight motorcycle camping, camping adventures, any type of multi-day trip where you need water to survive, which is a lot of trips. How excited I am for this solution. I've tried a lot of things on a lot of different trips and I've had issues with each of them. This product, I think, finally addresses all the needs that we have as adventure motorcyclists and will work well for a myriad of outdoor applications and expedition style trips. Let's talk about the features of this bag. The Cactus Canteen transports drinking water in an ultra-rugged, expedition-ready, collapsible container that integrates seamlessly with Giant Loop's adventure-proof packing system. Via the webbing loops that you see here, it's easy to strap it down and attach it to basically every bag, every packing system, every luggage setup that we sell. Essential kit for every adventure, the Cactus Canteen has a two-layer construction featuring an inner bladder and outer cover. Both layers are built with thick, durable, abrasion, and puncture-resistant materials for years of service in extreme environments. This outer layer is a Cordura layer, just like your riding gear. The inner bladder is a food-grade, BPA-free TPU bladder. When we introduced the Armadillo bag, so many of you said, A, can we use it for water? And B, are you gonna make something for water? We heard that demand and came up with this very similar product, equally rugged, but specifically designed for drinking water, for potable water, so that you can carry it into the backcountry with you on all of your adventures. The large filler neck makes it easy to fill, dispense, and clean, and is compatible with largemouth water filters. And the dispensing hose on the bottom has an on-off valve to control the flow and stows away behind an access zipper on the cover. The hose fitting is compatible with standard hydration bladder attachments. This is my Life Straw gravity filter bag. Okay, I carry this bag with me, and then this is a hose with a standard hydration bladder attachment on the end with a standard Life Straw filter on the other end. So the bottom of this Cactus Canteen, there's the zippered pouches, waterproof zippers you can see, but you pop out the spigot here, stowed away so it's safe, but right here, this attachment, it's just like what's in the bottom of your hydration pack. It's exactly how you attach the hose of your hydration pack to the bladder of your hydration pack. Just a simple, quick release. Take this hose, I'll stick it in there, snaps right in, and now I have a gravity filter. It's a very versatile piece of kit. It's very lightweight and it packs down to almost nothing. Handles on the top and the side, as you can see, make this bag easy to handle and wrangle while filling or dispensing. You can pour it out this way. You can hang it from this top handle while you are filling it up. And this handle has a hook here that comes off, and this is what you use when you roll it up to stow it away and keep it nice, small, and compact. These daisy chain materials make it super easy to lash to any vehicle, motorcycle, side-by-side, overlanding rig, whatever, and these are reflective strips, so if it's on top of your bags, you're getting additional visibility, safety first. Some of the detailed specs of the bag: the interior bladder, as I mentioned, is a food-grade TPU, it's BPA-free. This cover is an 840 denier nylon with laminated TPU, so that is a very rugged material. You can drag this down the highway. A lot of riding gear is only 500 or 600 denier. It has reflective webbing, it has a YKK zipper at the bottom. This is a universal hydration quick connect, and it has this aluminum hook, which, as I said, comes off. It's both your hang-up hook and your stowing it away, compacting the bag hook. So the 1 gallon bag, when it's empty, weighs 9.3 ounces. The 2 gallon Cactus Canteen weighs 12.5 ounces when it's empty. So these are lightweight, easy to stow away. They disappear into your bag when you're not using them. And I'm unbelievably excited about these products. These Cactus Canteens will be shipping in February. They are available for pre-order right now. And if you pre-order the bag before they're released, you can save 30%. So I'll put a link to both of these bags in the description. Yes, I work for Giant Loop, so take my enthusiasm with a grain of salt, but as an adventure rider and a motorcycle camper, I am so excited for this product. It is exactly what I've been looking for, and I've tried a lot of things. In my opinion, there's nothing else like it out there. This is the best solution to your water carrying needs, and the fact that it attaches to gravity filters and a ton of other stuff is just icing on the cake. If you have questions or comments about the bag, please feel free to leave them in the comments. We at Giant Loop are excited to launch this product, and I hope you're excited to get it into your hands. Don't forget that the Cactus Canteen, like all of our products, is backed by our limited lifetime warranty, and that all orders of over $75 from GiantLoopMoto.com ship for free. Please consider subscribing to the channel for more great product announcements like this, sale announcements, how-to videos, videos, mounting videos, fitment videos, and don't forget that all YouTube subscribers save 10% with promo code SUBSCRIBER on GiantLoopMoto.com. Thank you for watching. Go light, go fast, go far with Giant Loop.